and welcome. It's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. It's actually my experimenting day today. I was literally in my art room doing colour combinations, happy with some of the results, wiping the paint off or reusing the paint as I did here and recreating some different colour combos. So I literally went through hours of painting, colour combos, different techniques, either scraping the paint and reusing the paint as I did here to make some other ideas that were in my head. So follow along with this crazy one. It was just a background that I'd just used my sponge brush to swipe over, and then I was creating this colour combination which absolutely blew my socks off. It was just gorgeous. So as you see there, it was basically my nice bright yellow. There was white, there was a cream, and then that magenta. So all the colours that just make up a lovely pour, but you're kind of not sure if they're going to actually work really well for you. So I'll let you see what I do, and you let me know if you think this is a yay or a nay. Bear with me here because my chaos blow or Dutch pour, whatever you want to call it, doesn't look, too special here. But of course, after I finish embellishing it and you work with it, so I know a lot of people said, oh, I just clicked out because I didn't like, part of it. But anybody that knows me and has watched my art, it can look really tragic at points, but then it does come alive with the little tickles and tantalising that I do on canvas, and using my balloon and other little gadgets. I really try and make it work whichever way I can. But the colours I'm really happy with, so I am happy with those colours. So as you can see, it is coming to life. It truly is. So you can make a silk purse out of a sow's ear. It's coming to life. It almost looks as though it's standing up out from the canvas, like a 3D effect. So as you've seen, I used the bigger deflated balloon, and now the smaller deflated balloon really helps create those perfect little floral effects, without doing any fine art in there. Simple and humble balloon can be a perfect tool in acrylic fluid art for sure. So it is coming to life, and I'm super happy with this one. Really pleased with how it was turning out. So as you see, just using my little straw there with my bendy end to, you know, basically add some frills, I guess, and just perfecting it to how you feel that the composition works. So I'll bring you down and have a little look-see. Woohoo! Experimental day. I'm just experimenting on the same canvas, just trying to perfect a different technique or a different composition. Super happy with those colours actually, love it, love it, love it. I know some people are going to say, oh, why did you scrape the last one off? But like I say, you can take photographs of each one so you have them there for prosperity and for future prints that you may want to get printed. But this is how I practice my different colour combos and technique. So it's all fun and it's all a learning experience. So I'm enjoying myself, and that's what it's all about, is the enjoyment in it all. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Off to the next one.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing you were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
Well, there you go. Different effect. I probably didn't need as much paint, but I was actually going to cover the actual whole of the canvas and not leave any negative space, but I actually like that. So just another little idea. It gives a lovely effect, I must say. I think if you did them in the blues or lilacs, it'd give more of an agapantha look. So lovely, another little idea. On with the next one.